How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove recent emojis from Samsung keyboard. So if we open up our keyboard, we'll see that we have a list of recent emojis. So to clear them, what you would do is open up your settings, come down to the general management section, and then press on Samsung keyboard settings. Then from here you want to scroll down to the bottom and press about Samsung keyboard, and then you'll see an eye in the top right. Press on that. Then from here come down and select storage, and what you want to do now is clear the data, so delete it. And if we open up our keyboard now, it should be cleared. So as you can see, there is no recent emojis. So that's how you do it. If you found this useful, please leave a like. Thank you for watching.